Hello friends, I'm Shreya and you are watching me on my channel Sparkle Your Life. Life give you lemons, make lemon tea out of it. Friends, I hope all of you are doing good and for me it was not a very good week. My iPhone X is dead, as in completely dead. It does not show any sign of charge or the Apple logo, or if I try to hard reset, restart, do anything, it's just not working. So as much as I'm sad for my phone, Rajiv is also not feeling well today. He has muscle pain, back pain actually, and he is not able to move properly. So we have given him painkillers and spray, but we'll see. If he does not feel fine by tomorrow, we have to show him to a doctor. So friends, I'm thinking to make a tea at home so that Raji feels better, and I'll be using all ingredients with medicinal properties in it like turmeric, ginger, lemon, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, honey. So all this would benefit from the back pain and the body pain he's going through. And you can also have this drink when you're having cold, cough, flu, or just if you're not feeling well. This tea would work as an antidepressant.
Put 1 cup water into the pan. Then put 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Sprinkle little pepper into the drink. Put around 5 cloves and around 4 cardamom. We'll put few pieces of cinnamon as well and few pieces of finely chopped ginger. Squeeze half a lemon into the tea. Now just mix all the ingredients. Cover the pan and leave it for 2 minutes to boil. Put like 1 teaspoon of honey into your cup. This quantity depends on how sweet you want your drink to be. Now let's just strain our tea.
So friends, my home remedy tea is ready and I'll give it to Rajiv and we'll see how he feels after drinking this. So friends, if you like my video, please give a like, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Goodbye till my next video.